Fitbit Sense advanced smartwatch with tools for heart health, stress management and skin temperature trends. White gold, one size S&L bands included. Supported application: weather, sleep monitor, reminders, voice assistant, Alexa, phone, GPS, heart rate monitor. Brand: Fitbit. Wireless communication standard: Bluetooth. Color: white gold. Connectivity technology: GPS. Human interface input: microphone. Wireless carrier: do GPS. True battery cell composition: lithium-ion. About this item: ETA scan app detects electrode activity which may indicate your body's response to stress, and a built-in skin temperature sensor logs yours each night so you can see when it varies. Assess your heart for atrial fibrillation, a heart rhythm irregularity, and easily share results with your doctor. The Fitbit ECG episode only available in select countries. Not intended for use by people under 22 years old. Operating temperature: 14 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. An on-wrist skin temperature sensor tracks yours each night so you can see how it varies. You can also see your nightly blood oxygen levels at a glance with our collection of clock faces. Radio transceiver, Bluetooth 5.0.0 PERATING. Temperature: -10 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. High and low heart rate notifications alert you if yours seems above or below your average. Battery lasts 6+ days plus. Fast charging gives you a full day's charge in just 12 minutes. Varies with use and other factors. Up to 12 hours with continuous GPS. Use built-in GPS during runs, hikes, rides and more to see pace and distance without your phone in. Use the built-in mic and speaker to take Bluetooth calls hands-free when your phone is nearby. Requires more frequent charging. Check description for product URL. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.